I'm Mala and today's tutorial is gonna be on how to get beautiful, straight, silky hair that makes us feel like we belong in a shampoo commercial, because hello, we do. Alright, so I am going to show you a couple of neat tips and tricks to have this final effect. Okay, today is going to be a tutorial on how to straighten your hair super duper quickly. And I am gonna time-lapse the thing, but don't worry, I'm gonna tell you everything that I'm gonna use today. I am gonna use my trusty, this is almost empty, so I picked up another one because I love it. Again, yes, disclaimer, I have bought all of these products with my hard-earned money and nobody has sent me anything, no brand affiliations, no brand sponsorships, and nobody has paid me to feature any of their brands in this video. This is something that I use on my shoot every single day and I like it. So yeah, this is Toni & Guy Heat Protection Mist. Every day I'm shooting, every day my hair is either getting straightened or curled or tongued or crimped or blow dried. I love it, but I love my hair too. And so to protect it from heat, this has got to be used every single time liberally. Okay, the second thing I'm gonna use is a paddle brush and a tail comb, and this is from Iconic. What else? Yes, I shall be using a Velcro. I'm so sorry, there's a strand of hair, and with this you want a pin to secure it in your hair. I'll show you how. And then you need some clutchers or some section clips or some, oh my gosh, what's with the strand of hair everywhere? Time for anti-dandruff shampoo. No, anti-hair fall shampoo. Anyway, I love these tips and tricks because they do not make my hair go limp and poker straight sans any volume. And even if I'm wearing my hair straight, I love my volume to go along with my straightness. I'm saying weird stuff right now. Better get into the video. Now, I'm going to start from the very beginning when my hair did not look like I belong in the shampoo ad, but they looked like, well, I'm just gonna be nice to myself and not say anything mean because they did not look right. So I'm a Sardarni, and as a Sikh bacha I have those ghungrale baal which are all over the place and I love them, but when I have some place to go or I'm gonna meet somebody and I am stepping out, I like to have them a little less unruly and I like to straighten them. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. I love putting out content for you guys and I am so excited for this one. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Alright, so right after we've had our beverage, yeah, now we're ready to straighten this messy look. Okay, we start with dividing our hair into sections. Just take the lowermost section of your hair And yeah, make a fish face and put the rest on top of your head securely. Next, we take out a small section out of that bottom section and we comb it with our tail comb. Then we take our straightener and we straighten this section. Now, make sure that you twirl it towards the inside to get a rounded finished look at the bottom of your hair. This gives your hair such a nice finished salon-like look. Okay, then we take out another section and straighten that section, twirling the ends again. I'm straightening each section once because that is all I need for my hair type. But you can go ahead and straighten the same section twice to get the desired look that you want. Now we take the last little bit of the bottom section and we comb it and we straighten it and we twirl it. This way we can make sure that not even a single strand of hair gets missed from every section. That's why we start at the bottom and keep moving upwards. this tissue paper here, I wanted to tell you. Take out the pin, and now because this was here, now there is no contact between the hair and the Velcro. Otherwise, Velcro is supposed to stick to the hair. That's how it stays there. If it gets stuck to the hair that it's not meant to get stuck to, then it pulls them out and it's not pretty. So now when we open this, see, this one strand of hair still got stuck. This is what I was trying to avoid. And so now imagine this one poor little guy got stuck, otherwise this whole thing here would have gotten stuck and it would be a mess. So now when you open the Velcro, pull it out in a round motion. So now this is the last bit. While you're pulling out, keep rotating your Velcro. So I'm rotating, and I leave it. So now, see, look at the shape that it gives to your hair. It looks beautiful. It looks like a shampoo ad, and we love to look like we're in a shampoo ad.
So, like you can see, from the front to the side to the back to the top to the bottom, every strand of hair has been straightened. There's been no missing sections, and that is why we use this method, and we love it.
So I give my hair straightener a slight twirl, and that makes my hair round towards the end. Now if you don't want to do that, the other option, and you still want this effect, you're gonna want this effect, otherwise you're free to have like absolutely straight pointy ends. Nothing wrong with that. If you want this effect, then what you can do is use one of these guys. So this is a round brush with a clip, and this is just a plain simple round brush. So what you do is, when you're reaching the end, you use these and you sort of wrap your hair around this when they're hot. When you've just left the section from the straightener and it's hot, because hot hair take the form and the shape that you put them into. That's why we put the Velcro and they take the round shape. Like, you know, this section I put in the Velcro, and look how nicely it falls. So when you've just straightened the end, just twirl them around the brush, and if you use, and when you leave it, it'll be round. Or if you actually use this one, which has a section clip attached to it, if you use this, then you don't even need to hold it. You just put it around this and the section clip will hold it. Oops, one fell off, but that's all right. It's a little shorter. When you do it section by section, that won't happen. Alright you guys, I really hope you liked this video. Please tell me what you guys want and I'll make videos on that. And also, please give my video a thumbs up if you liked it, and like it and share it and subscribe it. And I love you guys, and I'm gonna be back so soon with so many new videos. I'm super excited. I'm loving our YouTube family here.